All right, guys, down here on the river, it's like it says it's 77 degrees, but I'm doubting that. Feels more like in the upper 80s. We'll start off with a weedless wacky rig, just on a J hook. I've never gotten back by the store to get any hooks. So I'm down to J hooks. Right now, I'm not even sure where my jig heads are. I basically just got my stuff spread out everywhere, which is not a good thing to do. With nothing up there biting. Thundering right now too. Figures. Go all day at work. No rain. And as soon as you want to go fishing, that's when it wants to start. There you guys, I didn't have the camera on. Didn't even feel this guy hit. All right, there he is. First one. See you, buddy. All right, let's try it again. We found one anyway. I was just letting it drift. I wasn't twitching it or anything. Starting to rain. There he is, guys. It's like another red eye. Yep. There he is. Once again on that black finesse worm. There's a lot of rocks and sticks and stuff over there they can hide in and under. just getting their attention. That's what you got to do. There he is. Feels like a little better fish. This may be a smallmouth. Yeah, it's a smallmouth. It's gotta be. Either that or a big red eye. No, it's a smallmouth. All right, there we go. Makes the trip worth it right there. Thank you, buddy. There we go. All right, that'll do it. All right, guys, hope you liked this video. I caught 3. One real nice red eye, and then a real nice river smallmouth. Got to get excited about catching stuff like that in these small rivers and creeks and streams and stuff. It just gets awesome. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you have, thank you for your support. We will see y'all on the next one.